welcome back to another new video. In today's video, I'm going to maximize the card segments. And before starting today's video, please like and share. And if you're new, please subscribe. Go to problem statement. In problem statement, you have given an integer n, and n is denoting the length of the line segment, and you need to cut the line segment in a such way that the cut of line segment is either x, y, or z. And here x, y, z are integers value, and after performing all the cart operation, then your total number of cart segment must be maximum, and you then return the maximum number of cart segments possible. And if there is no segment can cut, then return 0. Now go to first example. In first example, given n equals to 4 and x equals to 2 and y value 1, z value 1. Okay, now find the maximum cut value of, we have to make the maximum from this value x, y, z, which will maximum, and our limit is 4, n equals to 4. Okay, so maximum cut value will be, we can pick one, this one, okay, this one 4 times. If we pick one value 4 times, then it is one pair, and then one another pick is two, then this one 2 3 4. Okay, this also 4, this also 4. Okay, and now in between two this combination, in first combination we can make four elements, four cart elements, but in second combination you can see three element combination makes four. So what is maximum? This first one is maximum, this is maximum, because in this we combination elements are maximum four. Okay, so in output it will show 4 times 1, 4 times 1. Okay, in example 4, so output will be 4, output will be 4. Okay, and next example, n equals to 5 and x value 5, y value 3, z value 2. Okay, fine, and our limit is 5. Okay, so how many combination we get from this card value, single card value? And we can first pair is, we can singly find this at this, it is also 5. So this is first, then second combination will be maximum card 3 or 2, 3 or 2. Okay, 3 and 2 make 5, 3 and 2 make 5. Another combination find to make 5, no, 5 to 7, 5 to 3 8. Okay, it is greater, our in value is 5, we make 2 between 5. Okay, value is 5, so there is, we can make two card combination. Now in this second one is the maximum because it combined the maximum elements two. Okay, there is two elements, but in combination we only single element. So in output it will show 3 and 2, 3 and 2. Maximum card segment is 3 and 2. Okay, and now our approach of this problem statement. In brute force approach method, we use the recursion method. So we took the all possibilities for every individual length and send the remaining value in recursion. Then once the base case is a hit, then we continue still all the lengths x, y, z are looked whether they will contribute or to it or not. Okay? And in this case, time complexity will be O of n and O of n, both time and space complexity O of n. And this, in this O of n means number of cart elements, these cart elements x, y, z. Okay, so we basically, how many times we traverse iterating the elements one time. So in this it will be O of n, space and time complexity. Okay, and in code, first we initialize an dynamic programming table, and then we initial the dp table to 0, and then we fill the dp table and create a for loop, and it will follow this if condition. And after this, if DP table is still -1, then it means there is no valid cards are found. Okay. So then in that case we will return, if there is no segment can card, then they already said it will be returned 0. So in this case we will return this. Okay. And now compile and run, and now submit. Okay, we solved today's problem. Hope so today's video is helpful to you. See you next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.